Welcome to 2886 Trinity Drive in beautiful Shakopee, Minnesota. A distinctive design-built home offering truly unique architecture and an ultra-functional 3-level layout with the owner's suite conveniently located on the main level. With 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and over 2,500 finished square feet, this home blends thoughtful design with everyday comfort. As we step inside, you're greeted by a bright, open foyer with easy access to multiple levels of the home. To the right, we'll take a quick peek at the attached 3-car garage. This spacious 3-stall garage features finished walls, excellent storage potential, and easy access to the home. Heading down to the lower level, you'll find a spacious family room, complete with lookout windows that bring in natural light and a cozy gas-burning fireplace that makes this space perfect for movie nights, gaming, or a relaxed second living area. To the left, we have a flexible space that works perfectly as a home office, guest bedroom, or hobby room. Plenty of room to spread out and great privacy on this lower level. The lower level bathroom offers a clean design with a single vanity, storage, and a shower tub combo, perfect for guests or family. Just around the corner, here's another nicely sized bedroom featuring a walk-in closet. A great setup for teens, guests, or extended family. Continuing through the hallway, we'll step into the utility and storage room. This home features drain-tiled poured concrete, a modern HVAC system with air-to-air exchanger, and great shelving potential for household storage. If you're enjoying this tour and want to schedule a private showing, my name's Brittany Comparado with Call the Comps Real Estate Team at Real Broker. My husband Mark and I help buyers across the Southwest Metro, Shakopee, Prior Lake, Lakeville, Chaska, and beyond. Also, we put a free home buyer guide in the description below. Whether it's your first home or your 5th, this guide will help you explore the best values in the market, line up the right financing, and navigate the entire process with confidence. You can download it for absolutely free with the link below. Now we're up on the main level and the heart of the home. The open concept living room features vaulted ceilings, large windows, beautiful natural light, and an easy flow into the kitchen and dining areas. High-quality craftsmanship, paneled doors, and premium finishes give this space a warm, elevated feel. The dining area sits just off the kitchen, perfectly positioned for daily meals or entertaining. Now into the kitchen, one of the standout features of this home. Quartz countertops, a large center island that seats 4, and a deep stainless steel sink overlooking the backyard. To the right, your walk-in pantry offers excellent storage and organization. Stainless steel appliances include an overmount microwave, gas stove, and refrigerator. Everything designed for function and style. Further down the hall to the left is the laundry room, with utility sink and hookups for your washer and dryer. Further in, we head into the main landing-level primary bedroom, one of the biggest advantages of this floor plan. The bedroom features tray ceilings, large windows, and plenty of room for a king-size bed and additional furniture. Let's take a quick look at the spacious walk-in closet. One more look at the room, and now we'll head into the primary bathroom. In the back corner, you'll find the commode, and here's the doorless walk-in shower featuring floor-to-ceiling vertical tiles, a clean, modern design with beautiful detail. Your double vanity gives you plenty of space for getting ready, with great storage below. Now we'll head out of the primary suite and to the upper level. At the top of the stairs are 2 guest bedrooms and a full bath. The bathroom features a single vanity and another shower tub combo, ideal for kids or visitors. Here's the first upper-level bedroom featuring a large window with great natural light and a double-door closet for easy storage. And here's the next bedroom, also bright and inviting, with its own walk-in closet, perfect for siblings, guests, or for a dedicated home office. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this walkthrough, hit like, subscribe, and follow along as we tour some of the best homes across the Twin Cities Metro. Because you never know, your dream home could be one tour away. We'll see you next time.